Hi.
Hi, this is CoolCat436
And Emmy765.
We're from YouTube.
Yeah, that's our YouTube names, yeah.
I really like Mia Tallarico.
She's so cute.
She plays Charlie Duncan on Good Luck Charlie.
You totally have to watch it. It's awesome. It's like the best show ever.
And I made a video for a fan video on my account, so go to my channel and watch it. It's called Mia Tallarico / baby. And yeah.
It's really cool.
And we're making our own Mia Tallarico accounts, like our own fan accounts, like fan videos.
And we're going to put tons of videos and fan videos of Mia Tallarico on it. So
yeah. We'll post them on our channel about me, so you guys should check them out. We'll post a link.
Yeah.
So yeah. Anyway, I'll be holding a contest soon. This is CoolCat, and I'll be holding a contest soon. So make sure you enter that. It's Mia Tallarico.
Yeah. Whoever makes the best fan video
I'm not supposed to tell them. They'll be upset. That's okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.